Good morning, friends. Today we are going to deal with dictionary in Python. Now let us create an empty dictionary. So how to create an empty dictionary? You have to write the reference and you have to enclose by parenthesis. Okay. Now check the type of this reference. It should return a dictionary, right? This is first way to create a dictionary. So creating empty dictionary. We can create the same empty dictionary by using dict constructor. So D, now check this. Okay. In this way, we can create an empty dictionary. Now let us create a dictionary with values. So generally, dictionary contains key and value pairs. So it may contain one key value pair or it can contain many key value pairs. So I'm creating a dictionary with very small example like A for apple, B for bat and C for cat. So for that you have to enclose with curly braces and write key value pairs. So A, apple. So after writing first key value pair you have to separate by comma and write your key value pair again, comma, right? So if I print D, you will get like this. So this is a dictionary with values, three key value. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about the methods in dictionary one by one. So I'm starting with keys. So generally these are called keys: A, B, C, and these are called values. Okay. Dictionary is a composition of key value pairs. So the left ones are called key and the right one are called values. They are separated by colon. Okay. Now how to get only keys? You have to write d dot keys method. Okay. So you will get output as dict underscore and the list of key values. Okay. See here, what are the keys here? A, B, C. So in the same way, you can get the values. So D dot values. For keys, you got keys as A, B, C because they are keys. For values, you should get apple, bat, cat. Right? So we are going to discuss some more methods. So the combination of keys and values are called items. So if you want to print key and value at the same time, you have to write a method called items. D dot items. So when you write items, you will get key value pairs. A for apple, B for bat, C for cat. Got it? Then now I have a dictionary with three key value pairs, right? Now I am going to print D. Okay, for D is A for apple, B for bat and C for cat. Now I am going to add one more key value pair by giving a subscription, and you have to write key, the required key. So I'm writing D and the value here. So D for dog. So D for dog. Now I am going to print D. So it will give you A for apple, B for bat, C for cat, and D for dog. Right? So in this way you can update your dictionary. Okay. Now what about if I want to update an entire dictionary? Like I have another dictionary, let us say E, and E for elephant, comma, F fish. So in this situation, okay, you can use a method called update. D dot update. Okay. So what is the set here? What is the dictionary here? E. So write E here and print D. Now it will give you A for apple, B for bat, C for cat, D for dog, and E for elephant, and F for fish. So the values are updated here. Got it? And this is how you have to use update method. So till now we discussed with keys, values, items, now and update method. Now we are going to discuss get. Okay. So D dot get, what is E? You have to write the key value, key. Okay, you have to write the key. So what is E? E for elephant. So in this way you have to use get method. Now, so in Indian